Hello, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again with another video. And this time we're back to the old, same old, same old. We are doing, we're getting through this gigantic thing of metal and whatnot. Yeah, we're having some coffee. It's 4 in the morning. I bought a new webcam. Hasn't gotten here yet, but I was having so much trouble uploading. Oh my god. That I got fed up and I just like, you know what? Screw this camera. Screw this phone. I'm buying me a webcam. And then the boy, he bought a new laptop so that my webcam has something that can handle it. So that's cool. He bought that with his own money. And we're going to share it. Here's a, I've been getting a lot of these. Yeah. Extenders. Now, and we also have an awful lot of very small things. There's a very small little heart with a very small little rhinestone in the middle of it on a little golden chain. I like that chain. That's nice. Hocus pocus focus. There you go. Kinda, sorta. I like this magic trick better. It likes Alakazam better. So there's that little one. Oh my gosh, my nose is itching. I'm gonna get in a fight. Isn't that what that means? Have you ever heard that? Here's some ratty feathers on a chain. It's supposed to be a lariat. I don't know if the feathers will clean up, but they have sort of seen better days. I'd like to take them out of here and put my bird's feathers on here. My parrot feathers. What do you think? Would anybody buy that? Miss Scarlet feathers? What do you think? Or, well, there's also 2 other ones. She's just the loudest one. There's Pooper and Max, too. Those are both Amazons, so that would be green and red and yellow feathers. Here's another neat one. This is really distracting. It looks great with my nail, though. Like that one. They're holding up good, look. This hasn't got all messed up yet or nothing. I put about 10 coats of frickin' what do you call it? Tap coat on there. So it ought to stay. It's a little crystal-y heart with another little crystal-y heart. It has no name. It has a knot in it. I don't like the knot, but, well, that's what the hubs is for. Well, that and quite a few other things, I must say. Here's a fun one. Little glass beads. Okay, this has got a knot jerked in it, too. This is weird. Weird. Oh, I know. My camera is too far away from me, and my light is in my eyeballs. Stop it. There we go. That is much better. I think I got it. I hope this isn't broke. It looks like it is. It looks like whoever had it wanted it to stay, so they tied a knot in it and put it over their head because it's big enough for that. And it's got these little teeny tiny wire. Look at the wire on this. Hold on a second. Look how tiny the wire is. I mean, it's minuscule. If you look at the lines in my hand and then look at the little wires, that is some seriously fine work. And each one is, yeah, that's cray. That's really pretty. Dainty. Here is one that feels really dirty. And I think it's a movie coin. I think it's from Pirates of the Caribbean, maybe? Kinda, sorta. I don't know, is it? Is it one of them there? Oh, look, it doesn't have a clasp either, so. It's pirate booty. Pirate booty. Yeah, Johnny Depp. I'd like to get me some pirate booty. I can't tell if this is... I can't tell if it's losing its finish or if it's tarnished. Let's give it a closer look. Excuse me. And then I have to pull this light that was in my eyes over a little further. And to me, it looks like it's tarnished. It feels yummy. And it has a little teeny tiny mark on it. Oh, come on, get that out of the way. Blinding me half to death. Yeah, it's got a little bitty mark on it right there. And I can't quite see what it says. Can you read that? I can't read that. I'm cramping up my finger holding it that way. Why does it not want to lay right? Ugh. It says NS in a little diamond. And it says nothing on the other side, so I think I'm gonna test that one. It feels too good to be true. It might just be the type of chain that it is. Speaking of chains, we got a whole bunch of these little bitty chains, and this one looks like it had a pendant on it, but we can take that off of there. Oh, this one has a little mark too. Little tiny mark. Little tiny mark. I think it's the same thing. No, this is a R. RR. It has R's back to back. Oh. Can you see those? You see that? It's like RK or JK or... It looks like R's back to back to me, and I don't know what that means. We shall have to look it up. I think I've seen that before. It might be in the marks in the Texas Gal Treasures group. Here's a larger link chain. No pendant, so there's another nice chain. If anybody's looking for chains, I got plenty of them. Just leave a timestamp of the one you want. This is another nice chain. These are all gold tone and silver tone. They are not the real deal at all. Alrighty. Here's another nice one. Ooh, I like these kind. Except they're rough when you run your finger over them and they pull your hair a little bit. Ooh, excuse me. They look pretty though. They look nice with a pendant hanging from it. This is cool. This is a... Ooh, whose name is on here? 14 karat gold plated. And it's got this kind of a clasp. And it's also a bracelet and a necklace. This is a nice substantial Figaro chain, so you could just wear the two. Very minimalist. Minimalist. I don't know who uses this clasp, but it's kind of cool, and I almost want to wear this right now. It feels nice. Feels nice. Don't know if that's gonna need to be tested. Well, no, it doesn't need to be tested. It's plated, but it feels really nice. Don't know, do I? Here is an Orthodox. Is that an Orthodox cross? It has the peace dove in the middle. It has some crazy stuff I can't read. I can't read none of that. Oh, but it says, I'm a Catholic, please call a priest. So it's that one. It's the one you wear to tell them that you're a Catholic. Of course, yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of different ones for that. I like it though, because I like... Why am I obsessed with Catholic stuff? I'm not even Catholic. That's a pretty one. I'm not Catholic, I don't know why. I like all the accoutrements. Here's another pretty one. Mary. Oh, Mary conceived without sin, pray for us who have recourse to thee. That's a shiny gold chain, isn't it? Box chain. Kind of pretty. Looks like we're gonna do all little bitty things for this video. Here's another chain, one of those. One of them. Let's grab some stuff off the top here. Oh, look. It's little beady things. Balls and beads. Oh. Yeah, look at that. Here's this is a Cookie Lee with a tag on. Shades of gray. 2 chains. Roller chain, nice big fat roller chain. Double. And it has, I think it has the new Cookie Lee tag. Yeah. Yep. That's a new tag. Here's one of these. Nice twisty torque bracelet. It's not a David Yurman. I keep hoping, but I haven't got one yet. Here's a big old earring. Hoop-de-doo. Here's another of those very small, very tween goth. Tween goth. Some tween goth somewhere made these, I think. They're just, oh, come on, I had this one fixed before. Well, you get the idea. It's 3 strands with the little scully guy with the blue beads, and it's very small. Very, very tween jewelry. Here's a pretty ring. Still got the silver on it. Not too badly worn, maybe just a little on the inside. But it is a fashion ring and it's a size 10. Fashion ring 10. This is a piece of a busted necklace that goes in the, what do you call it? Another earring. Big chonky one. Here's a cute little circle pin with three little pearls, and it's a Sarah Coventry. It looks like it got bent, but I'm not going to try to bend it back because I don't want to break it. Hoop. Hoop-dee-doo. Here is rose gold, silver tone, and gold tone. Stretchy. That's cute. Stretchy, not scratchy. It always sounds like scratchy when I say it, because I say it with the Russian accent. Stretchy. Stretchy. There's a cute one with purple enamel and purple little stones. Cute. There's a rope chain in various stages of wear, so it's kind of a little bit of gold, a little bit of silver. I don't know if you can see that. I can. So that's, I don't know, that might end up in a craft lot too. Who knows? Who knows? Speaking of nose, mine keeps itching. Okay, we've got some little aluminum guys. And this one's a little more stout. This one's darker. Might be silver. These are bright steel. There's some more aluminum yucky ones. More Indian ones. Oh my gosh, the itching. Another aluminum one, another shiny steel one. A probably steel one. Another one with mirrors. Smoke and mirrors. Just metal. Metal. Okay, so that's all the bracelets. We're going to put them in here. Here's a little leather guy with studs. Looks like it's pretty well broken in. Doesn't look terrible. I mean, it just needs a cleaning. I got some leather cleaner in there. Here's a little starfish earring. Here is a piece of an earring. I know I've seen the other one, and they have lever backs, so maybe we'll fix that. Maybe we'll find the rest of it. Look at him. Him's a spider on a chain. Oh, I should say on a web. That's a cute one. Look how shiny. It's got crystals. That's a shiny Spidey. Nice for Halloween. Here is a brass guy with one of these added because it's kind of broken. So, and it's not great. It's very plasticky. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off of here because it's terrible. It's terrible. If I could get it, well, I'll get that later, okay? But that's gonna be another what you call it? Extender. And here is some very fine chainmail work. Look at that. It's very pretty. Look at how they interlock. It's just crazy. And it looks like it has one little mistake in it right here. But it's really pretty. How long is it? How old is it? It's a 7-inch, so it's a very small one. It's still pretty though. Pretty, pretty, pretty. What do we have? Let's see if we can't pull this one up out of here. This is a multi-strand gunmetal and black beads, and it's got the grosgrain ribbon through it, which is I'm gonna pull that off of there probably. Unless someone wants it with it on. I mean, it doesn't look, it's not too terribly crimped up or terrible. It looks alright, I guess. I'm not a fan of the ribbon though. There we go. Has a nice drape to it. Nice. Ooh, speaking of nice drapes. Oh, here's another hoop. Come on. There we go. There's that. Here's another little ring. Gold tone. A little bit worn right there. I like the cut of it though. It's very nice. And who would know? See, that's the thing. I don't mind a little bit of wear if it's not gonna show. Can't really sell that though unless you disclose it and say somewhere on the back, and then it just sits and sits and sits. Nobody wants to buy it. Here's one of these earrings with a little dangly bits. And this one is not worn. This is supposed to be. See, it's copper all the way around. So, yeah, I love that. Pink and red and copper is so cool. Okay, here is beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let me slide it up on the table very carefully. So it's got a substantial chain in the back. It's this gorgeous bib necklace with the little dangly bits here. And then tassels. You know I love the fringy, 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 fringe. So pretty. That covers your whole upper chest. Gotta wear a low-cut shirt with that one. Oh, and it feels so good. It's very heavy. It does not have a tag on it, which is shocking to me. Oh. You know it. Here's an interesting earring. It's black painted, looks like copper underneath. Oh, don't put the earrings in there. No earrings in there. Here's a cute little bracelet, or it was, and it's missing the head. I assume a glass bead in between there. That's gonna go in the craft lot. Big earring, not a big earring. It's a little bracelet. Olive green. Oh, here's a broken cross. I'm gonna have to take the chain off because the chain's busted. Busted. Nah, we're just gonna put the whole thing in a craft lot. Ain't gonna worry about it. Here's a neat one. It's got little beads. That's neat. Not too shabby. Here's one of these. And do I have the other one? Yeah, I have them both here. And they hang like this. Those are neat. Steel, I think. Here's another pair. Whoop, not that. See, look, there's another one. Well, no, that just looks like a clasp that got pulled off. There's these guys, very, very sparkly. They're not sparkling for you. Why does it sometimes sparkle and other times it doesn't? That's just weird. Freaking weird. Oh, look at this. I think this got broke. Oh, wait, no. It's a little plastic apple. Earring. And then this flat Figaro chain that is brassy as all heck. I don't know if it's... I don't know. It needs to be washed or cleaned or rubbed or something. Or trashed or put in put in the craft lot. This is very odd. This is black or White House Black Market, and it's just a bar chain. It's a little bar chain, and the bar chains are little what would you call those? Little petal shapes. So, that's strange. I wonder if it had a pendant on it at some point. That could be. Could be. Never can tell. Here's a little snaily chain with the big giant hooks on it. Brass. Brass. Ooh, what is this? Wow, look at that. Wow. That's a heck of an earring. Look at that thing. Ooh, which side is which? Oh, that's the front. Oh, so pretty. I hope we find the other one of them. Here's another big old necklace. Got some neat statement pieces in here. And this is very cool. Look at that. It's a choker, I'm pretty sure. It's got a good long chain on it though. Let's see if we put it on this end, how it looks. That's a little better, yeah. Gosh, we're at 29 already. Darn it. I'm going to show you these real quick. This one says love. Still in the package. This one says love. Still in the package. Gold tone and silver tone. This is some ear climbers from Freedom of Top Shop. Or Freedom at Top Shop. Whatever that means. There's that. Here's this. That's a neat one. It's got like little bronzy, druzy, fakey druzy. and stuff. And I know the other one is in here too. Yeah. Look, it's 30 already. I don't want it to be over. Here's a little gold double curb chain with a little butterfly in it. Little spinner. Okay, well, I want to thank you all for being here. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down there, and if you see something you can't live without, please leave a timestamp in the comments, or you can send an email to my email in my description with the timestamp, the title of the video, and the date that it was posted, so that I can find the item that you're interested in. Yeah. I'm really tired. It's 5 a.m. I love each and every one of you, and be yourself, 'cause everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.